We're back at I-30 Dragway, Caddo Mills, Texas, in the '74 Chevy. Vehicles are rolling in, like that black Mustang I beat last time. Still early. We got a double race, back-to-back doubleheader, making up for the other makeup race that was rained out. So I guess it's a double makeup. And then we'll be back here again on October 24th. So hopefully I won't give it away this time. Well, the truck's running about the same as it was when we were here 3 weeks ago. Ran a couple 8.6s, so it's still not as quick at this track, or because of the bad air, it's 2,300 foot elevation again already. Because they're in 8.5s last weekend at Extreme Raceway. So, I don't know, maybe in Abilene's high altitude next weekend. So, I don't know if we'll get back to the 8.3s this year. Maybe the October 24th race will finally get to running its normal 8:30 times. I really didn't expect this thing to slow down to 8.6s in the summer. But anyway, there's that old big block, Mr. Dependable. We'll see how I go. Got my 2 time trials in. I guess we're going to dial in 8.62. Well, didn't win either race. Went out in first round of the first race, went out in second round, second race, which is not my normal. But I was racing friends in both races. Both times I went out, it was extremely close at the finish, really close. I'll post the slips and the data when I post the video later. But have a good one. We'll be in Abilene next Sunday for the next race. 3-hour drive each way in one-man garage.